Hi, good evening. Welcome back to the Drummond channel on December 8th. It's Sunday evening, and I'm digging into the NASDAQ from what we showed on Friday, and I threw the number 22,000 out there, and I want to point out where I got that from. And then there was some talk about, is this an exhaust situation? And let me first dig into where I'm getting these numbers, and it's pretty obvious here. Next year, 5.1 down at 22,000. Next quarter, 5.1, 5.2 down combination right on top of each other at 22,000. And then this quarter, there's a 5.2 down at 21,800. So right now, higher time period resistance coming in between 21.8 and 22,000. On the yearly basis, we are in the farther out resistance area. And if that holds, that starts to make the criteria. If that 5.1 down holds next year, that is the definition of exhaust, where the nearby holds in the next bar. Okay, these next charts, monthly on the left, weekly in the middle, and daily on the right. The things I want to point out first are the monthly 5.2 down at 22,000 for this month. And then the white rectangles there are the oncomings. And you look at the oncomings preceding those white rectangles, and they're lined up, what we call building a wall, or another term we use, ducks in a row. And now that those oncomings are starting to push higher, we take notice because it's negating this idea that resistance is building. It's showing that prices still have farther to run. And for tomorrow on a daily chart, that's pretty easy to understand with the oncoming moved up higher. It's awful early in the week. That oncoming has the chance to come back down and close in line with the previous week. But at this point, it is pushing higher, so we're anticipating higher. And same thing with the monthly. Still early in the month. That bar could change, but at the moment, we're expecting higher prices. Also, along with the higher time period resistance that we see, we're not quite there yet. And if prices make it up into those oncomings for the month, for the week, that puts us in higher time period resistance as well. Another thing I'd like to point out are the way the PL dots are behaving. On the monthly and on the daily, they're in a nice tight line, straight line, pushing higher. On the weekly, they're actually accelerating higher. So again, early indication to pay attention that there might be an exhaustive move happening, but we're not seeing any signs of that at all in a lower time period. So this isn't a time to start looking to short this market. So I hope that helps. You see the range for tomorrow. There's a daily 5.2 down. Important thing is we're looking for this area to hold and still push a little bit higher for the time being. So that's it for tonight. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know, and we'll see you next time.